Hi students, do you know what is this? It's a sign. Yes, it is minus sign and we use this to subtract numbers. Now if I put two dots, one above the sign and one below the sign, what will we get? Now this sign is division sign and it is used to divide numbers. We can convert a minus sign into a division sign. And I generally say that division and subtraction are cousins. Do you know why? Because they have some common characteristics. Some of the things are common in them. And what is that thing? That in subtraction, we get a lesser number, we get a smaller number. When we subtract numbers, we get less numbers. The answer is always a number which is less or equal. And same thing is in there in division, that whenever we divide two numbers, the answer is either less or equal to the given number. So these two things are same in division. Now why are we talking about subtraction while studying division? Because today we are going to study division as repeated subtraction. Do you know what it means? No. Let us try to understand by this simple activity. Suppose you have 10 candies and you want to divide or you want to share these candies with your friends, and you have to give 2 candies to each of your friend or your classmate. So what will happen? So first of all, you will give away these 2 candies. So here what we have done, we have subtracted 2. Now we have given away 2. So how many are left? 8 are left. 8 candies are left. See, 8 candies are left. Now again you have given 2 more candies to your next friend, second friend. Now you are less by 2. Here you have given away. So whenever we give away, we subtract. So again we have subtracted 2 candies from the number 8, and what have we got? We have got 6 candies now. How many candies do we have? We have 6 candies. Now you have given 2 more candies to your next friend, friend number 3. Now earlier you had 6. Now you have given 2 more candies to your next friend. How many are left with you? Look here. 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. You are left with 4 candies. Now again you will give 2 more candies to your fourth friend. Now you are given 2 more, so we'll subtract 2, and what will you get? 2. See, you have 2 more candies with you. Now you are giving these 2 also to your another friend. Now you are giving 2 candies to all the friends. So because you have given the last 2 candies also, we'll subtract, and what are we getting? We are getting nothing. Now we are left with no candies. So this is how we have divided equally. So equal distribution is division. So how many times we have given away? 1 time subtraction, second time subtraction, then third time subtraction. This is subtraction again. How many signs you have used? 4 times subtraction and 1 more sign of subtraction, 5 times. So you divided 10 candies and you gave 2 candies to each of your friend. How many friends got 10 candies? 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Or you can simply count the number of signs. How many times you have written the subtraction sign? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 candies were distributed in 5 friends. See this? Friend number 1 got this, friend number 2 got this, this is for friend number 3, this is for friend number 4, and this is for friend number 5. So 5 friends got it. So see, this is division by subtraction. So here, but why don't we do it And when do we do the division? Here we are subtracting the same number. Every time we are subtracting 2. Okay. So when we are subtracting the same number, then we don't go for the long method, which is subtraction. Subtraction is a long method. So we simply go for division. We write the division and we have written 2, that we are giving 2 candies to each child, and my answer is 5. We'll read the table of 2 5s are 10. I hope you have understood this. Let's take one more example. So here I have 16 candies and I have to distribute 4 candies to each friend. Okay, let's see how we will do it using subtraction method. So my first friend, so first of all we'll write it like this: 16 toffee candies we have. Okay, and then we are giving 4 candies to one friend. So we have subtracted 4. Now we are left with only how many? -4 करके देख लें. We don't have to count the number. We will simply -4 because we have given away 4. So whatever is given away, we will subtract that number. So 16 minus 4 will be 12. Now it means you can count these. You will see these are 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now out of these 12, you have to give 4 more candies. Now give 4 more candies, these 4 candies to your second friend. Now again we have given 4. So we will subtract 4 here and see what is 12 minus 4 is 8. Yes. See, do we have 8? Yes, we have 8. Now what we have to do next? Next time again we will give 4 more candies to the next friend. Now third time we have given 4. So again, because we have given, so we will subtract 4 again. And what are we getting? 8 minus 4 is 4. We have to keep on giving till we get 0. Nothing in the end. Again now how many toffee? Here still have 4 candies. See here. Yes, 4 more candies. Now give them away. Again 4 candies to the next child. Okay. And then here we have given 4. So we will subtract 4 minus 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Either you can write 0 or you can simply put across that nothing is left. See, all the candies have been given. We have distributed all the candies, and every time you will see we have subtracted 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Now if you will see what is the answer here, we have to see how many times we have used the minus sign. 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time and 4th time. So 4 is the answer. And if you will see, 4 4s are 16. So if we have to divide 16 by 4, my answer is 4. I hope you have understood this concept. Try solving more questions, and thank you very much for watching.